Hi guys, this is Paikara boat house situated in Uti, Tamil Nadu. That's a very good place for visit. Heavy inflow started at the time in June. That is price list. For boating. And this is the view. Which you can sector. Best place in India.